shocking, the VADOMA tribe found in northern Zimbabwe known as ostrich people. The NADOMA tribe found in northern Zimbabwe known as ostrich people who just have 2 toes. Anybody that feels sorry for them should also understand that they are feeling sorry for you too, because you look quite different from them. The VADOMA people, also known as the Bantwana tribe, which means children/descendants, are a tribe living in the north of Zimbabwe, primarily in the Urungwe and Sipolilo districts on the Zambezi River Valley. There are many in their community who can't wear shoes due to the shape of their feet. They only have 2 big toes on each foot. They don't have middle toes and the 2 outer ones are turned in. They still can walk, but with some difficulty according to the shape. Running is also difficult to them. It is said this condition helps them while climbing trees, though. The elders of the VADOMA people claim that their remote ancestors were bird-like beings who came from the stars and mixed their DNA with early Earth women to produce offspring. The elders state that their ancient ancestors came from the star systems of Sirius and first established colonies on a planet within our solar system that they refer to as Liatola Physi. A substantial minority of VADOMA has a condition known as ectrodactyly, in which the middle 3 toes are absent and the 2 outer ones are turned in, resulting in the tribe being known as the 2-toed or ostrich-footed tribe. This is an autosomal dominant condition resulting from a single mutation on chromosome number 7. It is reported that those with the condition are not handicapped and well integrated into the tribe. While possibly an aid in tree climbing, the condition prevails because of a small genetic pool among the VADOMA and is propagated by the tribal law that forbids members to marry outside the group.